Hello, student. How are you? Hope all are well in this pandemic situation. I am your teacher, Dr. Mustafa Hussain. My salam to all. Today's topic is red eye. Its second part. Let, let's start with corneal causes of red eye. Corneal abrasion. It's a defect in the epithelium due to trauma and contact lens. Use fluorescein and blue light defect shine in green. Corneal foreign body, it is very important. Foreign body in or on the cornea cause intense irritation and profuse watering. Management involve removal of foreign body by using surface anesthesia. Use topical drop, ointment, NSAID, cycloplegic, pad and bandage. Keratitis, it is the inflammation of the cornea type infective, bacterial, viral, protozoal, non-infective, autoimmune, rheumatic arthritis, systemic lupus erythematosus, non-autoimmune, marginal keratitis. Bacterial keratitis organisms include Staphylococcus epidermidis, Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, coliforms, Pseudomonas, Haemophilus. Bacterial keratitis predisposing factor keratoconjunctivitis keratitis dry eye, a breach in corneal epithelium following trauma, prolonged contact lens wear, prolonged use of topical steroid. Bacterial keratitis symptoms and signs severe pain, purulent discharge, ciliary injection, visual loss, hypopyon, white corneal opacity. Bacterial keratitis management scraping, taking from base of the ulcer for gram staining and culture. Treatment dual therapy, intensive topical antibiotics for both gram positive and gram negative bacteria, monotherapy, ciprofloxacin, ofloxacin, cycloplegic, surgery, tarsorrhaphy, conjunctival hood, corneal graft in severe cases. Viral keratitis, herpes simplex keratitis cause type 1 and type 2 herpes simplex virus. Most are asymptomatic, accompanied by fever, vesicular lesion, follicular conjunctivitis, preauricular lymphadenopathy. Viral keratitis pathognomic dendritic ulcer on cornea. Dendritic ulcer may heal without a scar but may progress to stromal keratitis with inflammatory infiltration, edema, and ultimately loss of corneal transparency and permanent scarring. Management include topical antiviral, heal within 2 weeks, and surgery. Viral keratitis, herpes zoster ophthalmicus, ophthalmic shingles cause varicella zoster virus, area affected, ophthalmic division, cranial nerve 5, accompanied by prodromal period with systemically unwell vesicles, lid swelling, iritis, secondary glaucoma. Treatment oral antiviral, topical antiviral, steroids, and antibacterial to cover secondary infection. Scleral cause of redness, episcleritis, etiology mostly idiopathic, collagen vascular diseases, infections, herpes zoster, herpes simplex, syphilis, inflammatory bowel disease. Treatment self-limited topical steroid if painful. Sclera, scleritis, etiology, 50% systemic, collagen vascular diseases, granulomatous diseases, metabolic, infections, chemical and physical agent, 50% idiopathic. Treatment include systemic NSAID, steroid, treat underlying etiology. Antechamber causes of red eye, hyphema and acute congestive glaucoma. Hyphema is blood in front of the eye, in front, that is antechamber of the eye. It may appear as a reddish sting, or it may be appear as a small pool of blood at the bottom of the iris or in the cornea. Acute congestive glaucoma, I will discuss it later on. Thanks for today. Stay safe, maintain distance, wash your hands, boost your immune system. Thank you.